Welcome to Daily CoinCu Crypto News. Here are today's headlines. Big Korean companies are putting money into crypto startups. Facebook is piloting Novi Crypto Wallet with Coinbase and Paxos. Competition is boosting young traders' crypto investments. The Mexican airline Volaris accepts Bitcoin payments. Elizabeth Warren and 4 U.S. senators ask Zuckerberg to stop Facebook's Novi cryptocurrency wallet. Now let's dive into the details of these. Big Korean companies are putting money into crypto startups. According to media reports, large South Korean companies invest money in crypto and blockchain startups, while the country's market-leading crypto exchange will make its own sports investment. According to a report by FN News, there has been an explosion in cryptocurrency and decentralized finance (DeFi) investments, with super-rich companies like Samsung, GS Retail, CJ, and Nexon at the helm. The media noted, citing an unnamed industry insider, that South Korean companies tend to avoid investing directly in cryptocurrencies, instead of promoting promising electronic money companies. "We are increasing our investments," the insider was quoted as saying. Facebook is piloting Novi Crypto Wallet with Coinbase and Paxos. Social media giant Facebook has partnered with Coinbase and Paxos for a digital wallet project. Beginner is coming. The project began its pilot phase in the US and Guatemala on Tuesday. Starting Tuesday, a small group of users in both countries will be able to download the Novi digital wallet app on an iPhone or Android device and top up their accounts with a debit card. From there, they can send and receive funds in Pax dollars, USDP, a USD-linked stablecoin issued by the blockchain trust company Paxos. Competition is boosting young traders' crypto investments. Most young UK investors are entering the crypto market thanks to the hype on social media and news, but are unaware that the market is unregulated, according to a study by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, that has been published. The survey found that most, 69%, of investors under 40 mistakenly believe that the crypto market is regulated. More than three-quarters, 76%, of young investors who invest money in risky assets like crypto, forex, or crowdfunding can be traced back to competition with friends and family. The Mexican airline Volaris accepts Bitcoin payments. Due to the mainstream introduction of Bitcoin, BTC, in El Salvador, Volaris El Salvador, a local subsidiary of the Mexican low-cost airline Volaris, will accept Bitcoin payments. The Bitcoin move comes a month after Salvadoran aviation authorities approved Volaris' local subsidiary to operate in the country. Salvadoran President Nayib Bukele went to Twitter to notification that the airline accepts Bitcoin. Elizabeth Warren and 4 U.S. senators ask Zuckerberg to stop Facebook's Novi cryptocurrency wallet. Novi launched a pilot program in the United States and Guatemala this morning, October 20th, to allow users to buy and trade Paxos dollars, USDP, instantly, and with no fees. Coinbase provides Novi crypto custody services and will hold all funds related to the project. Novi has not integrated Facebook's long-awaited cryptocurrency DM, but Elizabeth and senators such as Brian Schatz, DHI, Sherrod Brown, DOH, and Richard Blumenthal, DCT, have not been able to appease this either, and Tina Smith, DMN.